Hats off to all my subscribers. This is Kapil Subba once again. Welcome back to my channel. Okay. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can replace your front bearing of your motorcycle without paying any money to any kind of garage. Just you have to need few tools and nothing much more than that. Just follow me up. Let's go for a walk. My friend, here you can see this bearing works perfectly, but on the other side I'm gonna show you the defects. And here you can see it's not working properly. See here. Okay, you just have to replace this bearing and your motorcycle gonna walk fine. Okay, just follow my simple tips and tricks. Okay, and also I have opened the axle from here. You just have to untie the screw. It's just easier as you think. For this you require hammer and a screwdriver, just that much. Okay, and see how I'm doing right now. Just put inside and hammer it. Okay, and here you can see it has been like this, and you can also check on the bearing, all defected. And now another side. Okay, for that you also need to hammer it. Now I am using this kind of tools. You can also use your screwdriver. And here you can see the condition have been worst enough to my bearing, and now I'm going to put new set. Okay, here you can see the two bearing, which is very brand new, and now I'm going to show you how to install it properly. Okay, you just have to put this first, and after that you have to put your bearing properly. Okay, you just have to hammer it from all the sides. Okay, now I'm using this tool. Now you can hammer it. Now you have to put this valve for safety. Okay, this is another side bearing, and you can put it as I'm putting right now. Okay. You can also use your old bearing to put like this. What's what there? Yeah. Now you can see the both the bearing works perfectly. And now you just have to install axle and move on with your flow. And I'm gonna show you how you can put in your axle too. Thank you my friends and followers, hope I can help you too. You have to put this, okay, slowly.
Three.
Okay, now you have to tighten up, you have to tighten up screw. Hope I can help you my friends. Hats off. To put this screw in your front axle. 1, 2, 3.
Three.
And you can also put in this way. Tools.